If you think why everything is so different from my previous video, that's because I came to Texas where my brother lives. If you don't know, I live in California and my brother lives in Texas. So I'm visiting my brother currently. um, I don't know how long I will stay here, as long as I want. I've been doing this since the pandemic has started. I come to my brother's house and spend time with my brother's family for as long as I want. I will walk you through my morning routine, keeping weight loss in the mind. I'm still continuing to do my weight loss journey. That's never gonna stop until I hit my like healthy body or health goal weight that I wanted to. So let's do it. Starting with morning skincare routine. I cleansed my face using Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. Next, I'm using this Selfless by Hiram Daily Moisturizer for face. If you don't know who Hiram is, he is a YouTuber who does videos on skincare. I've learned so much from him. He recently launched his own brand. It's called Selfless by Hiram. And I'm using this product for the first time and it's been pretty good so far. Next, I'm using a sunscreen. It's called Ulta MD sunscreen. It's very popular on YouTube and a lot of celebrities use it too. And I really like it too personally because it doesn't leave any white cast on my skin. A lot of sunscreens do tend to do that. They leave a lot of white cast on my skin, but this sunscreen blend in really well. Also doing some makeup today. First I'm going in with this Makeup Forever foundation. This is my favorite foundation in the shade Y365. I think it's my 4th or 5th bottle. I tried many other foundations before, but I always come back to this one. It gives a medium coverage, which is much more a natural look. Maybe that's why I like it so much. I do not do makeup every day. I only do it on the days I know that I want to look good. Today I'm doing my YouTube video, so I decided I wanted to look good, so I'm doing my makeup. Next, I'm doing some eyeliner. I am really bad at doing eyelining. I cannot do anything beyond just drawing a line on top of my lid. That's it. Those are my eyelining skills. I cannot do any cat or dramatic wings. I'm really poor at them. Today I'm using this black Revlon eyeliner that I got of Target. The next thing is mascara. I'm using this Lash Maybelline mascara. I really like this. It does make a lot of difference. Just putting on some mascara is enough some days for me. Just covering my under eye circles, dark circles, and then just putting on some mascara. I'm good to go. I don't need anything else. I only do I only do other things if I have time. If not, I'll just keep it very simple. Just some foundation and mascara and a lipstick. That's it. I'm done. Next thing I'm using is this Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It really helps in hiding my brush lines, the lines from my foundation brush, and also absorbing that extra moisture or extra foundation that is left on my skin. The last thing I'm doing is my lips. I'm just going in with some chapstick for some moisturizer and then a lip liner. That's it. I'm not doing any lipstick today. That is it. That is my no makeup look. Alright, workout is done. I'm gonna go home and make some breakfast. But before that, I wanted to show you guys this gym. Like, how cool is this? It's located inside my brother's apartment community. It doesn't look like a community gym, but it's very fancy. It's basically free, but it's also included in the rent. So I don't know, but it has got everything. It has this boxing things. I never tried boxing before. Maybe I would try. Maybe I will try one day while I'm here at my brother's place. I came home and I'm having this banana oatmeal muffin that I meal prepped the other day. I'm going to include the recipe in a little bit, but they taste pretty amazing. You can have them as a breakfast or even just a snack. They're really of good ingredients, so they're very healthy. So please try them and let me know. This recipe will make about 12 muffins. I started by smushing 2 bananas with a fork. Make sure your bananas are ripe enough because that's what makes your muffins sweet. We are also going to add some maple syrup later, but bananas will give natural sweetness to your muffins. Once the bananas are done, crack in 2 eggs and mix them together. Now I am adding a 1/3 cup of maple syrup for some sweetness. Next, I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Next, I added 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I also added a cup of Greek yogurt for some extra protein. Combine them very well. Now mix in 3 cups of rolled oats along with a cup of milk. Now I'm placing some muffin cups into this muffin trays. Then I'll scoop the batter into the muffin cups all the way to the top. I will link everything in the description box below along with this recipe and also the skincare and makeup products that I have used earlier in this video. For toppings, I just used some blueberries and walnuts. I did chop up the walnuts into small pieces. You can use any other kind of toppings as well. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Before taking them out of the oven, make sure they're completely cooked. You can test it using a knife or a fork. If the fork or knife comes out clean, then they're all completely cooked. I enjoyed this muffin with little bit of maple syrup and it tasted amazing. This is a healthy and easy meal prep for breakfast and also a snack. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do like it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.